All right, we are getting into the final two performances of the evening. And now we are going to bring you something really unique. Any guesses? And now this one's going to be a really difficult one to guess. All right, so have you heard about Aghoris? Yeah. Aghoris are a reclusive sect of ascetics who follow the Shaivite principles and consider themselves also followers of Lord Shiva. Their origin can be traced back to 150 years, where Baba Keena Ram gave birth to this sect of Shaivism, a group of hermits who follow principles of Lord Shiva. Now here's the thing. The word Ghora in Sanskrit means something very frightening, and therefore Aghora means somebody who's very gentle and caring. So Aghoris are believed to be the masters of many spiritual powers and have shown to cure mental and physical illnesses also, by the way, saving lives. And this tribe believes in the non-dual nature of existence and embarks on a journey towards the divine, aiming to attain moksha or liberation from the cycle of life and death. Aghoris challenge social norms to purify their consciousness and transcend their ego. So, let us welcome our performers who portray themselves as Aghoris, dancing to the tune of popular Kala Bhairavashtakam, a hymn composed by Saint Adi Shankaracharya, dedicated to Lord Kala Bhairava, a fierce and powerful manifestation of Lord Shiva. This Ashtagam, which by the way means that it has 8 stanzas, is believed to bring spiritual growth, protection, and courage if chanted consistently. For this, we have on stage Ramya Ravi, Ruchiparna Swain, Uma Vasudevan, and Vasudha Venkatadri. Enjoy.
सेव्यमान पावनांग्रि पंकजं व्यालयज्ञ सूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादि योगी वृंद वंदितं दिगंबरं काशिकापुरादिनाथ काल भैरवं भजे भानुकोटि भास्वरं भवापि तारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुरादिनाथ काल भैरवं भजे पाशदण्ड पाणिमादिकारणं श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयं भीमविक्रमं प्रभुं विचित्रताण्डवप्रियं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे भक्तिमुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं स्थितं समस्तलोकविग्रहं विनिक्वणन् मनोज्ञेम किङ्किनीलसत्कटिं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे धर्मसेतुपालकं त्वधर्ममार्गनाशकं धर्मपाशमोचकं सुशर्मदायकं विभुं स्वर्णवर्णशेषपाशशोभिताङ्गमण्डलं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे प्रभाविरामपादयुग्मकं नित्यमद्वितीयमिष्टदैवतं निरञ्जनं मृत्युदर्पनाशनं करालदंष्टमोक्षणं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे अट्टहास व्यास भिन्न पद्मजाण्ड कोश संतति दृष्टिपात नष्ट पाप जाल मुग्र शासनम् अष्ट सिद्धिदायकं कपाल मालिकाधरं काशिकापुरादिनाथ काल भैरवं भजे। संगनायकं विशाल कीर्तिदायकं काशीवास लोक पुण्य पाप शोधकं विदुं नीति मार्ग कोविदं पुरातनं जगत्पतिं काशिकापुरादिनाथ काल भैरवं भजे। काल भैरवष्टकं पठन्ति ये मनोहरं ज्ञान मुक्ति साधनं विचित्र पुण्य वर्धनं शोक मोह दैन्य लोभ कोपताप नाशनं प्रयान्ति काल भैरवं विसन्निधिं नराध्रुवं काशिकापुरादिनाथ काल भैरवं भजे।
Oh, I'm going to need a few seconds to recover from that one. So, I have a script, I have to run with it though.